Myntri katana boarding ko skajala James ke sama ulapan pau Shaïong hingan halo ke jikon thok bakhan rem to no actin ke Congress usit sama ulakan no live forum ya ko skajala batawaru ya u Myntri bo de bon hiar no dak bon thok kala badai ka Liang Pyrshah ka Wohkjat ya kat kikam ko skakale Myntri lo ongru ba la da borok kikam bale skajala Liang Pyrshah ke Liang Pyrshah kum ta kenon issue banong hande banya chakmat ya kakam.
I fail to understand, where the question of involving in, influencing the outcome of the investigation or inquiry into this is. As we all know, the problems of the MECL are legacy issues, right? So the Congress has, if not all, an equal part of, they have to share that responsibility of the mess that is there in the MECL. They are also responsible for it. So today I think it's, I feel that them, asking for a resignation is akin to a person living in a glass house and throwing stones at other person's houses. So I would be very, circumspect about whether I accuse another government when I have also been a minister myself. I've also been a chief minister myself. I've also been part of a government myself, to really go around and accuse others. They have an equal responsibility in the mess that is there in the MECL. We are trying our best to clean that mess up. And that is why, as a government, we could have said, no, this is a legacy issue, and we continue with that kind of narrative. But we feel that, yes, it does require closer inspection into what are the root causes of why things have gone in the MECL. And for us to have, for the Honorable Chief Minister to have come forward and constituted this independent inquiry is a very big message that we are sending, that there is nothing to hide. We are welcoming an inquiry into the workings of the MECL. So the question of resignation does not arise here. When we have gone ahead and set up this inquiry, and it's an independent inquiry, mind you, these are individuals of repute. They are, it's headed by a retired justice of a high court. And to say that I can influence them is, I think, very disrespectful of the office of a retired justice. I think he's casting aspersions on the character of a retired justice. I think that's very wrong on the part of the opposition to say something like that. So the question of resignation, I think, does not arise here.